Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Toca Word app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. You just click on settings. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. You come to apps list here. And here you're looking for Toca Word app or just click on search. Add here Toca Word. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do. So you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.